Al-Fatihah verses 1 through 4. Let's start from verse 1. Bismillahi Rahmani Rahim. Bismi is the combination of bi and ism. Bi is a preposition meaning in. Ism means name. So Bismi means in the name. And Ismi has kasra at the end. The reason why it's in genitive is because of the preposition bi. Next word is Allah. This word has kasra at the end because it's in idafa with the previous word ismi. So this idafa, Bismillahi, means in the name of Allah. Next word is Rahmani. Rahmani is adjective from the root re, he, mim, and it means merciful. It's in genitive because it has to match the case of the noun it describes, which is Allahi. And then we have another adjective, Rahim, from the same root re, he, mim. So this word can also be translated as merciful, but some scholars say these are slightly different kinds of merciful. This adjective is also in genitive because it agrees with the noun it describes, which is Allahi. Before moving on, let's review the first line. Bismillahi Rahmani Rahim. In English we get, in the name of Allah, the merciful, the merciful. Now let's read the next part. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdu means praise. It's in nominative case and it's the subject of the sentence. Lillahi is the combination of li and Allahi. Li means to or for. So Lillahi means to Allah. Allahi is in genitive because of the preposition li. Next we have Rabbi, which means Lord. And it's from the root re, be, be, which are doubled roots, so it has shadda on be. It's in genitive because it's a positive describing the previous word Allahi. So it has kasra to match the case of Allahi. Next we have Alamin, from the root ain, lam, mim. It means worlds in plural. The singular form is alam, but in Quran, only plural form appears. It is in genitive case because it's in idafa with the previous word, Rabbi. So this idafa, Rabbil Alamin, means the Lord of the worlds. Okay, let's review. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. In English we get, praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Now let's move on to verses 3 and 4. Ar-Rahmani Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin. The first two adjectives, Rahmani and Rahim, are exactly the same as the ones we saw in verse 1, and they mean merciful. They are in genitive case because they are appositives describing the noun in the previous verse, Allahi, which is also in genitive. So they have to agree in case. Next we have Maliki from the root mim, lam, kaf, meaning a king or master. It's in genitive for the same reason, because it's an appositive for Allahi in verse 2. Next we have Yawm, which means day. And finally we have Din from the root del, ye, nun, which means religion, or judgment in this case. Yawmi and Din are in genitive because they are in idafa with Maliki. So what you have here, Maliki Yawmiddin, is a three-word idafa meaning the master of the day of judgment.